Hello everyone, welcome back on our channel once again, and today we're going to talk about on a device which can make you fit. Like as you can see right now, everyone is in the fitness. Like teenagers are in the gym कि fitness में कुछ करे, like body बनाए, लड़कियां पटाए, जो भी आप सोच लो, cardio and also fitness में अभी क्या है कि situation बहुत अच्छी है. एक device के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं जो है MI Band 4, which is a fitness device. Most of you guys know that कि ये क्या मतलब क्या है चीज. This is just a watch. What it called, fitness watch, fitness tracker, fitness band, whatever you say. This is the 4th generation of MI Band. और एक्चुअली मेरे पास थी MI Band 1 थी जिसमें डिस्प्ले भी नहीं था, जस्ट 4 लाइट्स थी जो इंडिकेट करती थी एंड नोटिफिकेशन कोई भी आती है तो वो इंडिकेट करती थी. देन MI Band 2 आया जिसमें डिस्प्ले आई. देन MI Band 3 आया जिसमें और अच्छी डिस्प्ले आई और इम्प्रूवमेंट के साथ. एंड राइट नाउ वी हैव MI Band 4. तो इसमें एक्चुअली क्या है, कैसे काम करता है एंड आपको ये लेना चाहिए या नहीं, दैट वी गोना टॉक अबाउट इन दिस वीडियो. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट, एंड बिफोर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन एज वेल. Let's start the video. But what it does is it is act like a watch, like it show the time, show the steps that you have walked, then the kilometer, the distance you have traveled, then the calorie you have burned, and it also has a workout program like outdoor running, indoor running, then treadmill, cycling, walking, swimming. It can measure everything, and you have to connect with your phone with MI Fit app. As you can see, I have already connected. Let me just show you which is the application. That is MI Fit. Of course you guys know that. So you have to pair the device with the MI Fit app, then it will show all the readings like step, kilometer, cycling की है तो आपने कितना किलोमीटर की है, कितनी कैलोरी बर्न की है, स्विमिंग की है तो कितना की है. So that's all the data will be stored in your MI Fit app. Okay, so for that you have to pair the device with MI Fit app. Other than that you cannot store the data in your device. You can only the device can only store data for a whole day. That's it. बस MI Band 3 के बाद MI Band 4 आया और इसमें बहुत सारे improvements है, बहुत सारे मतलब drastic difference है, because this thing has a colorful display and the MI Band 3 has just a white display, black and white display. Both have a LED display, but this is very sharp and accurate. It's like pixelation भी इसमें आपको नहीं दिखती है, उसमें दिखती है वो एक्चुअली कैलकुलेटर जैसा दिखता था MI Band 3 में. I had MI Band 3. Swimming tracking, if you are a swimmer then this will be for you, because इसमें swimming tracking है, lap time, lap record, then calorie you have burned, the distance you have swimmed. So ये सारी चीजें इसके अंदर है. So now let's talk about the band quality, because बहुत सारे लोगों को itching की प्रॉब्लम होती है रबर वेल्स को पहनने से. It's fairly enough, it's a silicone rubber, but it's not that loose, like it's a bit hard, but it will not irritate your skin. As you can see, इसको आपको इसमें जाना है और यहाँ से लॉक करना है. That's it. As you can see, this is a tracker. You can remove it and charge it. So this is the tracker, and as you can see, this is really small. And you get a charger with within the box. And मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि MI Band 3 और 4 का दोनों का सेम होता, तो कई लोगों के पास MI Band 3 है, 4 है, दोनों है एक ही घर में, तो they can charge a device with a same charger, but that's not the case. इसका अलग है, इसका ऐसा है, और MI Band 3 का ऐसा था कि आपको प्लग करना है वो जो ट्रैकर है उसको inside. So that's how the device can charge. This is the display, and also a main difference is the watch faces that the MI Band 4 offer. It's just awesome. इसमें बहुत सारे watch faces है, dozens, the thousands. You can choose it, and also you can make your own. So that's cool thing. Before that, let me just show you the display. It has pretty good display, and the touch response is really good. As you can see, very responsive. And what this thing offer, let me just show you. This is the normal time, the date, then the step you have walked, and the battery life. As you can see, 72% on the top. As you can see, I don't know you guys can see or not. And as you can see, you can check your status, and it shows the steps, 352 steps, 242 meter. Then calorie you have burned in 9 calorie. The idle alerts, it didn't show you in case anything happened. And you also get a heart rate sensor. As you can see, there is a heart rate sensing at the bottom. So that's a cool thing. And also you have got a workout option like outdoor running, indoor running. Indoor running means treadmill, then cycling, walking, swimming, exercise. Then you have to just go for it and make it custom, like you can decrease it, increase it like this. And also if you want to walk on treadmill, this will show you 3, 2, 1 and just go. So this is how this will start. It will start the timing, the distance, then calorie, heart rate. It also measures the heart rate while you are running on the treadmill. So that's a cool thing. And let me just stop it. You also get a notification, like if someone send you a notification, you have to select on your app like which application you need to be allowed to notified on your MI Band 4. Okay, so if WhatsApp, if someone send you a message on WhatsApp, you can read it from here. You cannot reply, but that's a good thing that you can read it on your watch. And the next thing is you also get a more option like DND feature, alarm feature, music feature. Music feature is added on MI Band 4. It was not there in MI Band 3, but that's a good thing. You can play and pause the next track. You can increase, decrease the volume. So that's a good thing. Then stopwatch, timer, find devices silent. Then a band display. As you can see, this is 2, 3 you have got on to select from MI Band 4. Other watch faces you have to select from your application of your phone. And you also get a brightness option. As you can see, this is the lowest brightness that you can get, and this is the maximum brightness. Lock screen, you also have an option for lock screen. Like you really need to get a password for that, like a 4 diagonal password. So that's good thing. Auto screen off is you can also choose like your phone 10 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds. If there is no any touch activity, then the device will get locked. Factory reset, about you can check it, version, firmware updates and all. So this is what MI Band 4 is, and you can remove it from the strap. You can also get a customized and a colorful strap from other websites and all. I don't know कि available है कि नहीं अभी. And this is the charger. This is the pin to charge, and there is a pin to charge, and both pins need to be connected like this. You have to connect like this, then put it in a USB adapter, any USB adapter, then this will get a charge. So this is how you can charge your device. And right now the device is connected with the application. Steps you have walked, as you can see, 352 steps. Sleep time is 9 hours last night. We can explain, the application can explain you all the details. Like light sleep you have done of 6 hours and 38 minutes, almost 6.5 hours. Then 2.5 hours of deep sleep. So this is how it can show you. And you have to select your set goals. As you can see, I have set it on 7,000 steps per day, and start from here to like GPS. It just locate my location and cycling and all. So this is how you can do. So that's what it offers. And you can set your everything, your MI Band 4, like unlock screen, the band display setting. You can change it. Like you get dozens of watch faces to choose, and there are a lot of watch faces. And let's just select one thing, and let me just select this cool green one, and let's just sync that data. And first it will download from the server, and it will sync the that thing. And as you can see, it is syncing. As you can see, it shows the syncing. So it will sync. It will take a bit time. Like sync successful, the watch face is changed now. As you can see, this is really cool feature to have. And it has a colorful display, so you get so much better look. पहले कैसा था कि बट सिंपल सी चीज आती थी, मजा नहीं आती थी उसमें. You can also change the custom. As you can see, custom changing, change the background. You can choose from your gallery itself. So that's quite a good thing. Okay, it is syncing right now, so let it to be sync. So as you can see, this is changed. And let's talk about the battery life that this thing has. This thing has a really good battery life. If you don't use your phone, like you don't connect with your phone, you just use it as a simple tracking device, calorie you have burned, you just want to look in your device and use it as a watch, then it will last for you around 20 days, 22 days. So that's a really great thing. And if you connect with your phone and use it like sleep tracking and all, then it will last you around 12 to 15 days. And if you use it as a hardcore fitness person, like measure the every heart rate in 30 minutes, like workout routine in the morning and in the evening, then it will last you around 10 to 12 days. That's the maximum. Conclusion is that you can buy it from Amazon. I think the price is around 2200 or 2300 rupees. So that's really decent price because it offers a lot. So this is what it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you later.